People come, it's going to be a platform. People will come on board, startup founders, startup owners, they'll come on board. People who have ideas, dreams, big dreams that they want to make a reality, they come on board, they put in their startup details, they create a campaign for their startup. So I'll give an example. It's the Servitech, right? We come on board, Servitech will come onto the platform, create a like sign up the startup, put the details there, Servitech, put the logo, put the description, a few other details. Then create a campaign, right? So we are creating a campaign. We are currently trying to build a crowdfunding platform, and we need funds to be able to do that. If you believe in what we are trying to achieve, you can contribute towards our campaign. And yeah, the campaign will be there. Anyone at all from anywhere in the world, from any demographic, any race, any gender, whatever case it may be, can come onto the platform and contribute toward that campaign, right? It's basically going to mean that anyone who believes in their project, who believes in their campaign, whether it's family members, whether it's friends, whether it's potential customers, anyone at all can contribute toward the campaign, help the startup raise funds for their project so that the people behind the startup can use those funds to build whatever it is they want to build, to achieve whatever it is they want to achieve, right? Provided the contributors believe in the project, whatever it is they have, they can contribute. 1 cedi, 10 cedis, 50,000 cedis, any amount, right? And it's in cedis because this is we are in Ghana, right? So we are using our country's currency. We are in Ghana, so we are using Ghana cedi. That's all there is to it. So this platform is not really supposed to be a competition with angel investors or venture capital firms or any other sorts of financing, right? It's supposed to be an addition or an aggregator in a sense. So we aggregate startups onto the platform, and angel investors, venture capital firms can also come on board the platform and just use that to find startups that they are interested in and contribute toward their campaign, right? And the main thing I think would be we would have rewards, right? And the rewards would actually be in startup equity. The rewards are going to be promises of equity. Someone creates a campaign on the platform, they own a startup, they create a campaign, and then contributors come and contribute in that campaign. And as a reward for their contribution, they get a promise of equity documents, right? And the promise of equity documents basically states something along the lines of you have been promised you are going to get a certain percentage of the company or of the startup when it becomes a company or when we hit this milestone or something like that, right? So it's a promise that you are going to get equity in the startup. So that's the reward for contributors, right? You are going to get a promise that you are going to get a certain percentage in the startup. And the percentage you get would be determined by the amount you contribute, right? So for angel investors, for venture capital firms, they can actually come on board the platform and also contribute towards startup campaigns, and get equity in return, right? So, like I was saying, this platform is not really supposed to be a competition for them. It's more of to give them another avenue to find new startups, especially in Ghana, because this is mainly going to be targeting the Ghanaian market, and allow them to contribute towards the startups campaign and get equity in return, right? Oh, hey, all right. I'm actually looking to partner with venture capital firms and angel investors. So if you know anyone or know anyone who knows anyone, or if you are someone, hit me up, reach out to us because we need you. Okay.